What's going on, guys? Robert Montez here with some more tips to help you win with money. Today I want to just share something that I recently posted on my YouTube site. It is a step-by-step process that will allow you to put together a simple, easy budget that you can follow and you really use to get your finances in order. In addition to allowing you to put together a budget, this tool is also going to show you what you can do to track your investments, have one-stop shopping to pay all your bills, and to really have an overview of what's happening with your financial picture. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the link included in the description and then go out and watch the video. You'll also find dozens of other videos with tips to help you win with money, both in saving and investing, paying down your debt, insurances, or if you're a sales professional, ways that you can provide more value to your clients and ultimately make more money in doing so. Hey guys, appreciate you watching. Click that subscribe button and go out, check that video. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. It's going to show you exactly what you need to do to establish a budget and get a handle on your finances. I'll catch you guys all later. Take care and have a great day.